Are you preparing for the competitive exams? So, today we are going to solve the most important science PYQs that have been repeatedly asked in previous years. So, without any delay, let's get started. So, the very first question from the physics part: which instrument is used to measure atmospheric pressure? So, the answer is option B, that is barometer. Question number 2: which physical quantity is measured in Newton? So, the answer is option B, that is force. Question number 3: what type of mirror is used in rear view of vehicles? So, the answer is option C, that is convex mirror. Question number 4: which of the following is not a scalar quantity? So, the answer is option D, velocity. Question number 5: the SI unit of energy is joule. That is option B. Question number 6: which scientist proposed the law of gravitation? So the answer is option B, that is Newton. Question number 7: sound cannot travel through vacuum. That is option C. Question number 8: which of the following has the highest refractive index? So the answer is option C, that is diamond. Question number 9: the phenomenon responsible for rainbow formation is refraction and dispersion. That is option B. Question number 10: which instrument is used to measure electric potential difference? So the answer is option B, that is voltmeter. Question number 11: cathode rays are option C, that is stream of electrons. Question number 12: the ozone layer absorbs ultraviolet rays. That is option B. Question number 13: in a moving car, passengers are pushed backward due to inertia. That is correct answer option A. Question number 14: the unit of resistance is ohm. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 15: the time taken by Earth to complete one rotation on its axis is option B, that is 23 hours 56 minutes. Question number 16: the photoelectric effect was explained by Einstein. That is option B. Question number 17: the first artificial satellite launched by India was Aryabhatta. That is option B. Now let's start with the chemistry part. Question number 18: who proposed the atomic theory? So the answer is option B, Dalton. Question number 19: which gas is known as marsh gas? So the answer is option B, that is methane is known as marsh gas. Question number 20: which metal is liquid at room temperature? I think this one is the very easy answer. You should know. So you will comment in the comment box about the right answer. Question number 21: which element is used in making pencil lead? So the correct answer is option B, that is graphite. Question number 22: rusting of iron is called oxidation. That is option A. Question number 23: which gas turns lime water milky? So the answer is option B, carbon dioxide. Question number 24: the chemical name of baking soda is, so the correct answer is option B, that is sodium bicarbonate. Question number 25: which chemical is used in water purification? So the answer is option A, chlorine. Question number 26: which element is the lightest element? So the answer is option B, that is hydrogen. Question number 27. Which acid is present in citrus fruit? So the answer is option B, that is citric acid. Next question, question number 28. Which element is used in making filaments of bulbs? So the correct answer is tungsten, that is option B. Question number 29. The atomic number of carbon is 6. Option B is the correct answer. Question number 30. Which gas is filled in balloons? So the correct answer is option B, that is hydrogen. Question number 31. Diamond is an allotrope of. So the answer is option C, that is carbon. Question number 32. The formula H2SO4 represent sulfuric acid, that is option B. Question number 33. Who discovered proton? So the correct answer is option B, that is Rutherford. Now let's start with the biology part. Question number 34. Which is the smallest bone in human body? So the answer is option B, that is stapes. Question number 35. Which blood cell helps in clotting of blood? So the answer is option C, platelets. Question number 36. Which organ controls body temperature? So the correct answer is skin, that is D option. Question number 37. The process of conversion of food into energy is called respiration. So the answer option B is the correct answer. Question number 38. The hormone controlling sugar level in blood is insulin. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 39. Which blood group is universal recipient? So the answer is option C, that is AB. You will also answer in the comment box which blood group is the universal donor. Question number 40. Deficiency of iodine causes. Answer is option B, that is goiter. Question number 41. Photosynthesis take place in which cell organelle? So the answer is option B, that is chloroplast. Question number 42. The red color of blood is due to hemoglobin. That is option C. Question number 43. Which part of the brain controls balance of body? So the correct answer is option C, that is medulla. Question number 44. Which disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin C? So the answer is option C, that is scurvy. Question number 45. Which organism prepare its own food? So the answer is option A, that is autotrophs. Question number 46. The number of teeth in an adult human is 32. That is option C. Question number 47. Tuberculosis is caused by bacteria. That is option A. Question number 48. The largest bone in human body is femur. That is option B. Question number 49. The study of heredity is called. So the correct answer is option B, that is genetics. Question number 50. Which vitamin is also known as ascorbic acid? So the answer is vitamin C, that is option C. I hope you like the content related to the science subject. So we'll meet in the next video with the new subject topic. Bye bye. Jai Hind.